Okay, so almost everybody knows what Bitcoin is, right? But there's also Ethereum out there, and I'm not going to talk about either one of those in this video. I want to focus on XRP, or Ripple is the name of the company. So if you haven't heard about Ripple, we're going to talk a little bit about who they are, what they do, what's going on with the SEC right now, why they're trying to get in their business, what's up with the lawsuit, and whether or not this could be an investment for the future. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together and we're going to grow together. So if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button right now. Help me out a little bit with the likes. If the subscribe button is red, make sure to click that subscribe button, join the channel, become a bro, and let's grow together in 2021. So like I said, we're going to talk about Ripple in this video. If you haven't heard about them or you're not too familiar with what they do, I'll kind of summarize them here. So basically, they want to take global payment transactions and make them extremely fast and extremely cheap. Now, if any of you have ever tried sending money from one person to another, it might be very easy these days, especially with things like PayPal and Google Pay and Square with Cash App and things like that. But if you've tried moving money from one bank to another or internationally, that's where things can get very difficult, right? Well, Ripple has a cryptocurrency called XRP or Ripple, named after the same name as the company. And what they do is they use this as the base currency. They use Ripple as the base currency, and all of the transactions that take place on Ripple and on the Ripple blockchain. And if you're not familiar with blockchain, I'll give you a brief description of what it is. It's basically a ledger, a public ledger that posts all of the transactions that take place. So think of like a ledger like a bank has, but it's blockchain and it's verified by all of the users that are on that blockchain, right? So with that being said, this is what they want to do. They want to revolutionize the money transfer industry. And they've been growing as a company for the last several years, and they've been doing amazing things, expanding and getting new clients and new banks and the things of that such to go on. Well, recently, the SEC got involved. Now, why would the SEC get involved with a cryptocurrency, right? Well, Ripple is a little bit different than things like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ripple is centralized. It's not decentralized like some of the other cryptocurrencies are. Ripple is a company, okay? And they sell their cryptocurrency or their coin. Now, the SEC has decided that this is not a cryptocurrency. Their coin is too similar to a security or a stock in a company. So the SEC has decided that the $1.3 billion in cryptocurrency that was sold by Ripple should have been considered a security. And therefore, the SEC has opened up a lawsuit and it's ongoing. So recently, the CEO of Ripple answered 5 questions, but he wasn't really able to get into too much detail because the case is ongoing. And of course, we can respect that and we can understand that with all of the litigation and all of the legalities that take place in it. So the coin was trading roughly around 60 cents per share at the end of 2020, and it plummeted down to around 20 cents per share. But recently, it's risen back up to 31 cents per share, and I think at the time of this video, it's trading around 31 cents per share. Now, what does this indicate? Obviously, with the delisting of this coin on many cryptocurrency exchanges, it took a big hit. Because of the lawsuit and because of the ongoing litigation, a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges delisted Ripple. Now, is this the end of the story? Is it a sad ending? Absolutely not. This is a legitimate company that has legitimate purposes and is revolutionizing the industry. If you thought that things like PayPal and Google Pay and Square with their Cash App revolutionized the mobile payment industry, Ripple is going to do that on such a huge scale that it's going to be unlike anything we've seen before. All we have to do is let them do their job and let them do their work. So I do believe that once the SEC is able to settle this lawsuit, or Ripple is able to win this lawsuit, we're going to see huge moves, not only in the price of XRP and in Ripple, but in the payment industry as well. They're out there, they're revolutionizing this company, or they're revolutionizing this industry on a daily basis, and that is their mission. I am extremely excited about where things can go with the payment industry. And if you haven't heard, Zillennials, that is Generation Z, they are completely okay with 100% digital assets. Now, this is a little bit scary for some people and really exciting for other people, right? I've done a few videos on Bitcoin, in Bitcoin mining companies, in cryptocurrency and digital assets. It is the future. Just like electric vehicles are the future, digital assets and cryptocurrencies are the future as well. So with that being said, what does Ripple have to do before we can see the price of it skyrocket again? They have to get through this lawsuit, okay? A lot of people were turned off by the news and by the news of this lawsuit, but that doesn't mean that they're going to stop, okay? This is a multi-billion-dollar company we're talking about here with legitimate purposes and legitimate transactions and actions that are innovating this industry. So when all of this is settled and we're able to move on from it, Ripple has an unbelievable future, and it's definitely something that you need to keep on your radar. So if you're not too into cryptocurrencies, maybe we're going to see that Ripple is decided that it's a security. They'll settle with the SEC and they'll move forward as the company that they were meant to be. You know, it's okay that we're trading a coin as a security, right? There's really no difference if we own value in the company through what they call a coin or what they call a security. At the end of the day, it all does the same thing. So with that being said, make sure to keep Ripple on your radar. You don't want to miss out on an opportunity to buy this, especially at a cheap price due to the lawsuit, if you have faith in what they're doing and where they're going as a company and willing to revolutionize this industry. So with that being said, if you liked the video, please don't forget to click that like button. Like I said before, if the subscribe button is still red, make sure you join the channel, become a bro, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video that I post. If you know somebody that's interested in cryptocurrency, or you have a friend that's interested in Ripple specifically, make sure you share this video with them so they can get a little bit better understanding of what's going on and where we're headed in the future. If you've got any questions or anything like that, let's start a conversation down in the comments below. I'm always willing to do videos and answer your guys' comments moving forward. So until the next time, don't forget, we're going to make 2021 the best year ever. And until I post the next video, guys, I hope all of you have an awesome day.